Hey friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a resume in Microsoft Word. So go ahead and open up Microsoft Word on your computer. I'm going to simply type in Word, and keep in mind if you have the new version of Word or 2016 or whichever option, and especially if this is a license copy, you should have no problem whatsoever. However, you can still utilize the free version of Office to do so as well. But once you open up the Office, guys, you will see that at the top it shows you some templates, right, you have a blank document, and you also have the option that it shows some templates. Now you will see different types, and if you'd like to see more, simply click towards the more templates towards the right hand side, the upper right hand side. You'll see more templates. You click on that and you have a bunch of different templates that you can go through. Now you might be wondering, but I don't see a lot. Just simply use these different tabs or simple search. So if I type in the word CV and hit enter, I should find templates that are CV based. Or if I even type in the word resume, I can easily find it as well. So if I type in resume and I type in enter or click enter, I can find resume as well there. So it's really depending on what you want to type and how. So I'm gonna simply choose a basic template, for example something with images, because I know this is a thing right now, and people are sometimes, some people like images, some people don't, but it's really up to you. So let's say I choose this template here, right, and I want to use this. I can simply click on it and then I click on create, and it's going to load this right into the Microsoft Word for me, so I can easily go and I can change the content here. Now as you can see at the top, it being chance that I need to enable the settings here, so I can click on that, and I now have full control, so I can change this to whatever I want. So let's say I want to change the name to Andrew. Before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. I can simply type in Andrew, and I can say, I don't know, last name might be Big or whatever. You get it. Andrew, I can say Andrew tutorial as an example, and let's say that is my name. Right now you can always go ahead and you can change whatever you want, and you can duplicate pages and so forth, fill it how you want. Now for the image, you can simply go ahead and insert your own image, and you can replace this one, right? So what you want to do, you can simply delete this, and you have the space, and then you can easily go and insert a different image. So go to insert at the top there, and you want to go to images, drop down, choose from your computer, this PC, and you want to choose something from your download. So what I'm going to do, let's choose this picture of this baby here as an example. Click on insert, and you can see that the picture is inserted. Now you can change the style. If you click on this, you can simply go ahead and you can go to the section where you have those pictures, and you can change the shape or styling. So you have a bunch of different options you can click, and you can adjust this to the way you want. It's really up to you how you want to do it. You can choose it and you can adjust it to your liking, right? So you can basically choose whatever you want. Another way how to do it is by simply clicking on the picture, and you have the crop option on the upper right hand side. You click the drop down, you can crop to a shape, and this is going to basically allow you to crop into shape. So if you want something like that, you can, and you can adjust it to your liking, up, down. It's really up to you, and then you can choose how you want this. It's really up to you guys. So you choose how you want, and then from there you can simple adjust the picture. But I really like these different options, especially this one with the revealed oval. It basically looks really cool, and it's really up to you. So once you go ahead and do that, guys, you can modify all the content as you wish, and of course you can go ahead and you can save whatever you want, and you can always have your CV ready at your disposal. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you can easily go ahead and create a CV or resume in Microsoft Word. Everything is editable, as you can see. The text is there. I can change whatever I want. It's really up to me. It's really up to you, and you can modify, change colors, every single thing you can do with this. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.